If you like chicken wings, you're gonna love this recipe. Watch. Start by putting cornflakes in a bowl. Crush it as good as you can. Go ahead and crack a few eggs. You're gonna wanna cut your chicken wings in half so it can be easier to cook and eat. Throw them in a bowl for seasoning. I'm only gonna use smoked paprika and salt. Mix it real good. Now we're gonna dip the chicken wings in the eggs. Do the same thing with the crumbs. Now place them in a baking sheet, leaving some space in between. You're gonna wanna put them in the oven for 1 hour at 380. While the chicken is cooking, grab some garlic, peel them, and chop them up. This is the way I peel mine. It's super easy, really works, and it's a lot of fun. Add oil to your favorite pan. Throw the garlic in, soy sauce, and honey. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Now drizzle that delicious sauce on your chicken wings. Top it up with the scallions. Dinner is ready. Delicious chicken wing, perfect for the Super Bowl. If you like this recipe, please give it a follow, give it a like, and see you guys in the next video.